Good morning. Welcome to Narayana live classes. Today we are going to discuss assignment number 5 and the topic animal tissues. So let us discuss one by one question. The first question here, what are the blood group reagents kit components? So what are the things here we need in a blood group that we are going to discuss? Let us write the answer. So the first one is here we need in that kit we will see that anti-sera A and anti-sera B and anti-RHD sera. So these are all we required in that 5 ml and 5 ml and 5 ml. Okay, and we will see that in that what we need for doing of a blood test: wax pencil 1. We need a manual for doing this guidance of this the blood grouping test and all. So one manual is compulsory. So one manual. When comes to the TOEFL, we need that for mixing of that all the samples. We need porcelain plate. Porcelain plate, 2 plates we required. Okay, so these are all the elements as we need here for the testing of that blood group: anti-sera A and anti-sera B and anti-sera RH factor, wax pencil and manual and porcelain plate. We require one more thing here: sterilized needle. Sterilized needle. Okay, so this is one we need. Okay, let us go further to next question. The next question here, identify your blood group with the help of that kit. So we have that all the things, whatever that apparatus for doing of this blood group, previous question as we have discussed. So what we need to take, we need to take a slide or else a porcelain plate. So can be categorized into that of A, anti-sera A, anti-sera B and RHD. Okay, so the first step here, we need to clean our ring finger here and we have to pierce with the of a sterilized needle. Okay, so clean the finger and pierce with sterilized needle. Sterilized needle, and as we need to take that 3 blood drops, okay, and we need to add that respective whatever the kit we have, anti-sera A in the column of A, whereas anti-sera B in the column of B, whereas RHD in that column. Okay, so as if you are able to this, then we have to add all these samples. Okay, so add anti-sera A and anti-sera B and RHD factor. Okay, then what we need to observe, we have to mix up the samples. Okay, mix the samples. Mix the sample with wax pencil. So if the clumps, as we can say that clumping or else clotting, agglutination, what do we can call it as? Agglutination. Agglutination. So if this agglutination occurs in this A, and if you see this the same agglutination in this also, means I mean to say this RHD. So it resembling that if that agglutination is there, then it is positive. If that agglutination is not there, then it is negative. Okay. So now you can say that blood group is A positive. Okay, A positive. So like this way, as we can identify that our blood group. Let us go for that of next question. The next question is here, what precautions taken while collecting the blood samples? So when you are piercing with that of needle, as that needle should be sterilized needle, and that needle, it should not be used to that of other members. So where we need to take that as separate, because it is able to causes that diseases, means spreading of diseases. So to avoid this, as we need to take that as separate needles. So here that is a major precaution as we need to take. So let us write here, sterilized needles. So we need to take that as sterilized needles, the first one, and the second one is, so separate needles we have to use separately. We need to use to all the members, especially to avoid spreading of diseases. Okay. So these are all that from the blood grouping. That's all for this assignment. Thank you.